Auto detailers in Canada, wake up. We can help you grow your Canadian auto detailing business just as well as we've helped dozens of auto detailers in the US here. This case study with a company we just recently started to work with, you can see we've not got the conversion rate where we want it, but you can see we're bringing the cost per conversion way down. We're cranking out a bunch of conversions over a 30-day period, and we're going to get these numbers even better over time. So if you're looking to scale up your auto detailing company, if you're looking to scale up your mobile detailing company and get your own shop and get some people in there to help you, Google Ads are a great way to go, and we would love to help you do it. As you can see here, it's not even taking a huge budget to drive 40 leads a month, and you know what you can turn those 40 leads into when you upsell them into a nice full detail, maybe even a ceramic coating, something like that. So get yourself started in Google Ads. Don't do this alone. I just did another video today talking about how Google Ads has created a default where search campaigns start out at broad match. This is just a great way for you to spend tons and tons of money on wasted keywords that aren't wasted clicks, keyword searches that aren't going to generate anything for your business. So you really need to either dive in and study Google Ads really, really hard. And you don't want to do that. You know why? Because you own an auto detailing company and you want to scale up an auto detailing company. You don't want to be a Google Ads nerd like us. That's what we do. That's why you have people like us. So anyway, love auto detailing. I love Canada. Remember, always be marketing. Until next time, Mark Kelly at Inbound Revenue.